Are you still replying to the same customer questions again and again every single day? Then your business is spending too much time on repetitive works. But what if I told you that within just 10 minutes you can build your own WhatsApp AI assistant for your business that can automatically reply to customers, answer FAQs, collect leads, and even book consultations for you? Because in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to build a complete AI-powered business assistant using Pabbly Chatflow. So Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. With the help of this tool, you can create WhatsApp chatbots, AI assistant, broadcast messages, and many more. But before we start building it, let me quickly show you how this AI assistant works in real time. See this here, I have my AI assistant connected to WhatsApp. Now as soon as I send a message like how long does setup usually take for a small business, the AI assistant instantly responds like a real support agent. Now I'm sending a next query as my business gets too many repetitive customer questions every day. Then it asks me that, would you like guidance on how to create these workflows or integrate any specific tool to assist with this? So I sent a message as, yes, please help me to automate my business. And immediately it starts guiding me. And not only this, it can answer customer queries, shares business information, recommend services, and handle customer support 24/7 automatically. And the best thing, this is not limited to one business type. You can build this type of chatbots for restaurant, real estate, clinics, schools, agencies, or literally for any business. Currently in this tutorial, I'm going to take a demo example of SaaS support. But you can fully customize the assistant according to your own business. The logic will be the same. And trust me, once you set this up, your business communications becomes much faster, smarter, and more automated. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, so this is the AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. In few minutes, you'll understand how you can create an AI assistant and what is knowledge base. But before we dive into this, if you are not an existing user of Pabbly, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. And once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. But before we proceed, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to create this type of amazing automated WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Now, for creating a new AI assistant, you just have to click on this plus add AI assistant button. I have already created some, so I'm directly going in this one. This is the 10-minute AI assistant setup. Now as soon as whenever you click on the plus add AI assistant button and give your AI assistant one name, this page is going to be appear in front of you. I'll walk you through each and every step. At first you have to select the instructions type. Once you select it, automatically all the instructions generated here. You can also customize it if you want to. These are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow while giving the responses to your user. After that, the temperature controls the creativity level of your assistant, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values while high temperature gives creative and flexible responses. Next, you just have to select the model provider that I have selected as OpenAI. After that, select the model type that I have selected as GPT-4o mini. It will provide you multiple types of OpenAI model. You can select it according to your choice. After that, you just have to paste the API key in this field. You can get this API key from your OpenAI platform. Once you reach the OpenAI API keys page link, you just have to click on the plus create new secret key button and generate a key. And I want you to know that for generating the API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. After generating it, you just have to copy the key from here and paste that key in this field and click on this connect button. So this is how easily you can save the OpenAI key. Next, the AI assistant settings with multiple options. You can set it according to your requirements. If you want any header or footer, then you can enable this toggle and add it. And if you want to add any stop keywords, then you can enable this toggle and enter the keyword in this field. Stop keywords works like this. For example, you have entered any keyword in this field and the user will send the exact keyword while communicating with your AI assistant. Then your AI assistant will become stopped, and on that point, human inputs is required to restart the conversation. I'm not adding any stop keywords too. If you want to increase the retry attempts, then you can increase it from here. Last one is the fallback message. message. The fallback message is the message that sends to the user if your assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as API key problem or an connection issue. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to the user for the better conversation. Now the next one, that is knowledge source, where you have to upload the knowledge base file. See, this is the most important and the crucial part of doing the setup of AI assistant, where you have to upload the knowledge base file. Now what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant gives business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, AI assistant gives general responses. As I told you earlier in this tutorial, I am going to walk you through the AI assistant that I have created for SaaS support. So for that, I have already created one knowledge base file before. See, this is the knowledge base file for AI SaaS support assistant. Here I have added all the information related to my business. You have to make sure that it contains all the required data because it works like a brain for AI assistant. With the help of this only, it can give professional and accurate replies. So this is how the knowledge base file look like, and I have designed this by my choice. You can customize it completely based on your own business. The logic will be the same. After creating a knowledge base file, you just have to download it and upload it from here. So this is how easily you can upload the knowledge base file while doing the setup of AI assistant. The file size should be less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. After that, the assistant interface. Here you can give design to your AI assistant by making changes in each of these fields. At first, I have entered the heading as Smart AI Assistant, and you can see as soon as you can enter anything in this input, it is going to be appear here too. So basically, this is the final look of the AI assistant that are going to visible in front of your user. After that, the subheading I have entered as we are online and happy to assist you, as it is visible here too. Next, the initial message I have entered as hi there, how can I help you today? Here I added only one initial message, but you can add two. Next, you can do this label, footer text and footer link settings according to your choice. After that, the user first message I have entered as I need help. You can replace it if you want to. Now the next one is styling. Here you can give style to your AI assistant by making changes in its themes, colors and shape. As it is looking good, so I'm not changing it, but you can customize it from here if you want to. After that, you just have to enable this toggle so that your AI assistant will becomes active and click on the save AI assistant button. So this is how easily you can create a WhatsApp AI assistant by using Pabbly Chatflow. Works 24/7 for your business even while you are sleeping. So go and try this amazing trick for your own business too. And not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp AI assistant based on your own businesses as well. If you want a separate detailed tutorial of the creation of this AI assistant, then comment it. I will create a separate tutorial for that too. So if you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.